Good morning, good people. Welcome back as we continue here on DBS this morning. And for 2020, our focus is your health, your wellness, and we wanted to do it holistically. And this is why I am here right now at Valley Medical. And we have Dr. Pierre here with us, who is the medical doctor here, or at least one of them. And we are very excited about the news here that we have a medical facility in this area. So, first of all, good morning and welcome to DBS this morning. How are you today?
Good day. I'm good, thank you.
Super. And you know what? It's a very familiar face because we are SJC girls. So I was so happy when I walked in here. I was like, oh, this is so awesome. So, first of all, this is such an amazing idea. And when it comes to health and wellness, I mean, in St. Lucia, you always hear people crying out about our healthcare, etc. But now we have more options, and you guys are one of that. So let St. Lucia know about Valley Medical.
Okay, well, Valley Medical is a medical institution in the Kamaki Auto Parts building in the Bexon Cul De Sac Highway. We've been opened since the 4th of September of 2019. And here we offer many services, essentially anything that you would go to the emergency room for at the hospital, or anything you would go to your general practitioner, your regular physician, you can come here for that.
Great. Now, you know what? So I'm the one that's a little bit late on the train, but it's okay because I'm also catering for the rest of my viewers who may not have already known that you guys are here and existing. So it's great to know that you've been here since September. But how did the idea come about?
Well, we have we have all female crew physicians here. It's been maybe about a 2 year planning where we have been trying to figure out how it is that we can provide better health care for the wider community because we each worked at both of the hospitals, and there are just a lot of things that we see, especially as emergency physicians. We see many people who come to the hospital and have extended wait times for things that they could have gone to their regular doctor for. So we wanted to give the people an additional option, a place that they can go to get, whether it is general healthcare services or emergency healthcare services, where it's not crowded. So we chose this location because it is away from the traffic, away from the hustle and bustle of the central city, trying to figure out parking and so forth. And especially since there isn't any such facility in this area.
Now, even with that said, when I saw this, because it was through social media on the Instagram page, I was like, oh, Valley. So this must be Cul De Sac. And then I recognized the building. I was like, oh, this is a brilliant idea. And even with that, medical costs is another thing that people worry about. And I noticed on the page that um, consultations were $100, and I know a lot of people have been buzzing about that. Like, I've been seeing people engaging on the page too, and so I think that in itself also stands with what you were saying about making it accessible and available for everybody.
Yes, we really wanted to make it affordable. We wanted to think about the community that we're trying to provide this service to, and healthcare is not cheap. So we could, as private persons, we could not offer it for free, but we wanted to come up with a consultation fee that would make it more affordable, more likely. So if you have the option, you're able to afford but not too much, we won't squeeze you too much, but you will be able to afford our services. Yeah.
And you know what I can tell, and I know you're representing for the rest of the team and the persons, really pushing this whole facility. But there is a genuine care, and I can pick up on that, and an interest in wanting to help people get better. And obviously, as you said, just have people have access to something to help them healthier and happier by extension. So I really want to just say a special thank you to you and the team, and I hope this continues to grow. But we're not finished yet, because this is where people want to know what are some of the options that are available at this medical facility.
Okay, so as I mentioned, general medical services. So If you're not feeling well today and you want to, or if you just want to get a general health check, you can come. If you have an emergency, a laceration, you need to get stitches, you can come. If you're asthmatic, we have an asthma bay where you can get nebulized. So if you are sick and you need IV medication, intravenous medication, we administer that as well. We do vitamin infusions, we do house calls. So as much as our opening hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, and Saturdays we're 8 to 2. But it doesn't stop there. You can still contact us thereafter. So I've done it a few times that at 7 p.m. somebody calls the line and they need our services. We would come in and open for them. It would be at an added cost, but the service is available after hours, holidays, Sundays, whenever you call us. It's an emergency, you want to be seen, we come in and open for you. We do house calls as well, because we know there are the elderly persons out there who not necessarily strong enough to make the trip, and it's a bit of a hassle to get them into an ambulance and to the hospital. So we provide house calls as well, house nursing care. So if you have chronic wounds, you need cleaned and so forth, all of that is available through Valley. Anything else? Yeah.
All right. Well, with all this said, this is where we're going to wrap up for today. So now you are in the know. We have plenty more options, affordable options, and with practitioners and a team that is warm, friendly, and genuinely care about your health and wellness. So Valley Medical is here, guys. Make sure you come check it out for your emergency needs. Then you can reach out as well too. So I want to thank you very much for taking time out to be here with us today, Dr. Pierre.
Thank you for coming to us and letting everybody know about this much needed service that we are providing.
Definitely. So guys, over and out.